Hello, all you YouTubers. I'm using my old cell phone to record this. We just got in the mail. My wife got it somehow free. But it's Little Dry Grubs.
She signed up for it.
She signed up for it?
That's what she said to me.
Oh, here, I'll get closer. There's a website there. So, I have given chickens grubs when I find them in hay and different things. But these are Little Dry Grubs. And
This chicken wants me.
we got 4 silkies in here. We had more, but I think one of the dogs are getting into the chickens. But really, it's my fault because I left the door open. But these are Little Dry Grubs. They're snacks.
Can I throw it?
Yeah, throw it in there.
Oh, he likes it. That's a he, isn't that?
I think so. I think it is, but I'm not for certain.
Hey.
That one likes them.
Hey, do you like it? Here. No, it's stuck in there. I gotta go get it.
They'll find it.
Okay.
I really need to move this pen. Great thing about dog kennels is chicken coops. You can move them.
It can't get it. I gotta
Here.
get it for it.
Here, let me get it so it don't peck you.
Yeah, I'm afraid of chickens a little bit.
A little? And these are yours?
I don't want them to peck me. I still feed them.
You
I'll feed them grubs.
dried grubs. You won't feed them fresh grubs, will you?
Maybe.
Maybe.
I don't even know what grubs are, really. Ugh.
You know those little white bugs I find in the hay every once in a while?
Ugh.
If I leave the hay on the ground. These are them, but dried up.
But they don't look like them.
Oh, these are only supposed to be a snack.
Why are we feeding them all, though?
I don't know.
Oh, no one's about to pick me. Okay. I want a dry grub. Okay, they all want a dry grub. Dry grubs for everybody. You know what? I'm gonna go up here. I'm gonna put my hand up there. I'm gonna do this. And I'm gonna make dry grubs falling on their heads. You know what? I'm gonna do that again. This time I'm gonna throw them, kind of.
Oh, they're only supposed to be a snack. Training dry grubs. Okay.
Is that all they need?
Yeah.
Oh, my hands smell gross now.
Why don't you go wash them?
Really?
It, they don't smell too bad.
Yeah, that's not too bad. It's not.
But I don't know if she...
All she did was sign up.
She signed up. I don't know if she signed up on this website of grubbyfarms.com
Daddy, can I come with this?
or where she did, but
Daddy, can I come with this?
nah, it might not be good to climb up on the side of the chicken coop. And, you like your silky chickens, Gracie?
Plus, can they get up here?
Yeah, kind of. They can fly up there a little.
No, can they like sit on this?
Yeah, they can sit up there.
Okay. Well, that's good. And over there, they can just sit down like on that fence right there. Is that what it's for?
Not really. It's keep baby chicks in here when we have baby chicks.
Oh.
But that was our little treat of dry grubs.
Because it's been a while since you made a video.
Actually, I got one uploading right now. That's the reason why I had to use this. So, as soon as the other video is uploaded on YouTube, I'm going to do this one.
We're gonna have 3 done today?
2.
How when you make 3?
You want me to make 3?
Yes. Did you do one about the baby pigs?
Yes, I did. Our new little blessings.
Did you do one about the snake I saw?
No.
I'm just kidding.
You haven't seen a snake, have you?
Yes, I have.
Where?
When I was going
On the road?
Yeah. It's because there's a snake place.
Oh.
I need to make a rail.
I'm going to try and make some more videos soon.
Because we've got some things happening.
But I've been so busy. But there's our little treat of dry grubs.
Because you've been fixing fence, you've been cooking food for us, not for the chickens.
Like I said, I don't know where she signed up for this, but you might check it out, see if you can get a free sample. This is just a little 1 ounce.
Ounces.
1 ounce.
Okay. Now, are you done with the video?
Yeah, so God bless you all.
Subscribe.
You better watch it, Gracie. The chickens might think that your finger's a little grub.
Oh, no.
And check out rest of our videos and
Subscribe, as I said.
subscribe if they really like them. Here, you say it.
Subscribe.
If you really like them. Well, God bless you all, and goodbye.
And I like this.